falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another 10-minute tidy up. Today we are going to be cleaning the master bedroom and master bathroom. This video is intended to give you guys tons of motivation. Obviously it took me longer than 10 minutes to clean my room and my bathroom, but this video is intended to give you tons of cleaning motivation in just 10 short minutes so that you can get up and do the same in your room. I think I'm going to make this a whole series where I go room by room throughout my house and do these quick 10-minute tidy ups. So I hope that you guys are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any of those videos coming up. I plan on changing my bed sheets today, but I have a load of laundry sitting on top of my bed, which is pretty normal. I usually have laundry sitting on top of my bed that needs to be folded. So the first thing that I'm doing is folding these clothes and putting them away. I am planning on redecorating my master bedroom. I've already ordered a lot of the things that I need: new bedding, new sheets, pillows, lamps, and then I have plans to order curtains and something to go over the bed pretty soon. I'm definitely going to be filming this bedroom makeover video. I'm so excited and I hope that it turns out exactly like I'm envisioning. I'm not the best at decorating my house. Number one, because I think that decor is just so expensive, but also it's just really difficult for me to commit to anything and make a decision. So I just went for it, I bit the bullet, ordered some things, and we'll see how it all comes together. Another thing that's kind of tricky about trying to decorate my room right now is I like to see things in place, which means that a lot of times I'll buy something and if I don't like it, I'll just return it to the store. But with everything going on right now with not being able to go to stores, I think it might be a little bit more difficult because I won't be able to return things as easily. These lamps are actually from each of the kids' rooms, but I brought them in to see what they would look like in this space. I'm such a visual person that I have to actually see it there. I can't picture it in my mind. I have to see it in the space to see if I like it or not. Another thing that's been really helpful for me is Pinterest. I just go through Pinterest and pin some of the things that I like, and then I go back to that board and I see kind of a common theme. And then from there, I'm able to kind of pinpoint what my style is, what exactly it is that I like about, a certain space or whatever. It's been super helpful to use Pinterest. Right now I'm putting Stress Away in the diffuser, and Stress Away helps do exactly what it says. It helps melt your stress away. And I have been loving my essential oils for emotional support, especially right now with everything that's going on, being locked in our house with the kiddos, not being able to go anywhere and to see people. I have definitely needed some emotional support to just get through the days. Essential oils have not only been helpful for me, but they've also been super helpful for my kids. If they're having a bad day or if they have just crossed the line, I love to bust out my Peace and Calming and just have them smell it, or I'll even rub a little bit on their chest. And it's just a great way to help them kind of reset and calm down. I'll be honest with you guys about something. I don't think I've ever dusted any of the blinds or windowsills in my house, and we have lived in this place for over a year, so it was badly overdue. But this was the perfect time to do it since I was only focusing today on my master bedroom. I had plenty of time and plenty of energy to knock it out, and it felt really good once I was done with it. I would like to somehow decorate this bathroom as well, but I'm not really sure how to decorate because there's not a lot of counter space, and I don't really know what colors would go well with the dark wood and the dark granite countertops other than white. So if you guys have any suggestions or, I don't know, any inspiration for me, I would love for you guys just to comment down below, let me know what you think, or you can over on Instagram send me pictures. I would love that. I need some help for decorating my bathrooms. Also, we are planning on moving. I've mentioned that in a couple other videos. We would love to buy our first home. However, with everything that's going on right now is just not the best time for us to be buying a house. Also, there's just not a lot of people selling where we live. So we're waiting patiently for the perfect house to come available. And I was tempted for a while not to want to decorate my house because I was like, well, we're just going to be moving, so what's the point? But something in me just said, go ahead and decorate. You don't know how long it's going to be until you move, and I want my house that I'm living in right now to be cozy and homey, and I really want to love the space I'm in. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate, and we'll see what happens with buying a house. To clean the bathroom, I'm using my Thieves Household Cleaner. I also use this same cleaner in my bedroom to dust the furniture. This is my favorite cleaner of all time. It's all purpose, and I literally use it on every single surface. I'm going to use it on the toilets later. It's from Young Living, and it's a concentrate, so you get a ton of use out of this. You just need 1 capful of the cleaner to make a 16-ounce spray bottle's worth of cleaner. And you can make it over and over again just from 1 bottle of concentrate, so it will last you forever. It's also completely non-toxic, made with pure essential oils, and it's super safe to use even on high chairs, around your babies. I love it.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it gave you tons of motivation to get up and tackle your master bedroom and your master bathroom. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. I would love to have you guys. You can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. And I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling